Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am working on a layout for Challenge Accepted with my pal Scrappy Kathy. And all month long we are taking Scrap a Sketch from Lisa Sikorsky's sketches, and I can't pronounce S's right now, guys. Do not get braces at this age. Anywho, we are taking sketches from Scrap a Sketch all month long. This is our sketch today for February 17th that we are using. Not saying it's a February 17th sketch. This is one that Scrappy Kathy and I are using. And it's a grid, which is awesome. It looks like there are lines between the grid papers. They are in this orientation. I think I'm going to use this orientation because that's a photo I have, but we'll come back to that in a moment. So, block of 6. Title, big embellishy things, journaling if you choose 2 photos. I have 1 photo, we'll work it out, not worried about it. But what I am looking at is a grid, and I like the scattering of product and all of that. So let me show you what I'm using. I'm going to use this June 2021, Not Just for Boys Kit Club main kit. It was called Breeze. I have all my scraps, which is why I was thinking that this layout would be good, because I have all of these really great scraps. I've got some cardstock, and that was from the cardstock add-on kit probably. I mean, everything that I have in here is like a bunch of add-ons as well as the main kit, but we do like to keep things together. I've got these great Paige Evans papers. Let me put this up here. I've got these great Paige Evans papers. I've got, see, front and back of this one. I've got Maggie Holmes' Garden Party, which is a fabulous ledger, which that might be my background. We will see. I really dig it. I've got this one from Garden Party. This is Gingham Grove. This is Blossom in Blue. Then, like I said, I do have cardstock, and I think I need to come out of it. There we go. And you don't need to see the end of my desk. Okay, so I have that. Then I have all of these scraps, which is where I got a little motivated to look at that sketch with these goodies. Great. And then, guys, I have so many pieces. I have stars. Got just a little bit left over from these Rosie Studio pieces, which won't work for my photo. Got a summer stamp. Probably not where I need to go with that. But what I did like is I had these frosty winter star die cuts, because I do technically have a winter layout I'm going to do. Little alphas, great photo corners. Memories by the Sea, not so much, but I think memories I'll be able to work with. Heidi Swap sticker book, and this is packed. Little wordy bits, these great buttons that are kind of like a tweed. And I also have some really good enamel dots, washi, and the cutest little container of paper clips ever. So I have all kinds of stuff. That's my whole point. My photo, nighttime photo, so it's not awesome, like, you know, the photo quality, but this works because I want to tell the story. So this is my husband, and he was in Washington, D.C. It's a state of Michigan right there. So he was by the state of Michigan tree. So apparently they have the tree for the whole country, and there's a tree for every state. Like, to show you what I mean, I haven't scrapbooked this photo yet, but I have to. This was the USA tree, and this was my husband's work group. Not a great quality photo, but I do like the idea of it. So I have this. So let's see where is that ledger paper? Okay, I have this ledger paper. So what if I created my 6 placements on this, or do I look at my scraps first and see if I should bring in a cardstock, which, you know, tends to work really well as well. I like the birds. I like the blue. I like the birds. That still does go against it. You know, I'm going to make the background work. I'm going to do that. So I have to trim this. And, you know, I already have the lines on here, right? So I don't want to create those additional lines that look like they were sewn or drawn. I already feel like this is, dare I say and sound like a goober, pretty lined up. So I have that. Got the pick of my hubby. who's rather good at sending me pictures because he knows that we are avid crafters, scrapbookers, etc. I did not trim that tight enough. All right, so I'm going to do this. I need to cut out my pieces. And guys, I don't even know if they're all going to be the same size yet. This is one of those things that's going to flow. Now, I don't know that I've done a grid with 6 squares. I mean, usually it's like a 9 square kind of thing. Don't know. We are seeing a ton of my desk and I feel a little weird about that. So let's come in. There we go. All right, so I'm going to go in my scraps and see what I can mess with to create my blocks, and I'll be back in a minute. So let's do some check-in. I did have one of these cool little frames left. It was a whole pack, but I had one left, so I popped it down here. And if we look at Lisa's sketch, remember how I said I was just going to change the orientation of my papers or my little sketch bits or whatever. This piece that says memories, I'm going to leave it there as part of my title, but I have to build out the rest. And then where my photo is concerned, I kind of feel like I have to fix this photo corner. I have these photo corners in my kit that are the most beautiful light blue right here. And I popped them around the photo. I'd say the main photo, but it's the only photo. So now I have to fix up my title block. I do have my tab punch handy dandy to bring in more colors or whatever if I have to. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I do have it handy. Now, this Rosie's is from Salt and Sunsets, the puppy words, and memories was the word I thought I can get out of that. So then I will put this embellishment to the side because that means it's kind of done. I do have, look at how big this washi is, guys. I have this really good, like, grid graph washi. Maybe we can create a little bit of clusters or something. Maybe I'll go, like, right here. I don't know. I'm just trying to use things from all of, or components from all these different pieces of the kit. And how about I do one right here? Not a big rhyme or reason to it, just want to make sure I use it. Okay, then I'm good with my washi. That can go to the side. So yeah, absolutely just doing the one, the next, the next, the next. Now, I think I'm going to be able to get some good traction with goodies in here. I also have these really great dots. I scuffed up all of my little stars. What else? What else? So I have that. Now I have to do memories, I think, of DC, of Washington. I don't know. I got to come up with something with that. And is there anything else I can use in here? The butterfly doesn't work. The, see the leafy bits, and this is so summery, so I'm gonna just put that aside too. I have all of these really good Rosie's puffy stars. I'm gonna be using lots of stars. I've got paper clips, all of these goodies as my finishing bits. These colors I'm not seeing in this kit. I'm gonna have to put them to the side. I mean, actually, if I used these 2 stars, which I'm not going to with this, it would have worked. But we'll put that to the side. This whole row right here was a great blue, but I used it all up. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing. Just thought I'd show you where things are. I'm gonna see what I can build out. Barking dog. And I'll be right back. So I have a little bit more on here. I did go ahead and went into my Not Just for Boys Kit Club stash bin and grabbed some alphas. They are tuxedos and tiaras. White on one side, black on the other. So I wanted to bring in some black alphas pretty much. So I had that. I originally had this piece over here, but I needed some place to put the little DC, so I moved my star around. Not a big deal. Now, I think and I have goodies up on dimension on all of the different parts of my layout because, you know, we like doing that kind of thing. So what I'd like to do, here's my little guy. I want to get these stars sprinkled around, and I want to get some of these little yellow guys on here too. maybe tucked under. Maybe I should get out like 3 of these little yellow guys so that they don't end up being a thing at the end and it's hard to find a spot for them. So I can put that to the side now. And I will get one. I'm getting some adhesive if you wonder what I'm, oh gosh, one of them fell. Hold on. Will I ever find it? It's clear. Oh boy. Maybe I'll find it when I vacuum. Okay. You get 1, 2. So I have these little adhesive dot things, which are like a good size match for the bottom of these. So let's see. I think maybe one there. Do I like it here? No, I like it layered. I tend to like things layered up. Put this. I can do the yellow on yellow. It's not going to contrast, but it does work. Ooh, I see where I want one. So I think I'd like one on top of that tab. I think that would be good. Now, for some reason, I'm liking them on the tabs. So I'm just going to go with it, and then I'll figure out where the third one goes. It's just this really good bumpity. I don't know, maybe, do I just need... See, anywhere I put it, it feels funny because I have the 6 cards. If I had 5, I could find a way to zip it around. So I just not finding a spot that feels good. So that can go away. Not a big deal. Oh, guys, it's flying. Sorry. All right, so let's keep going with our little stars. And then I'll just go through my leftover bins and... Oh, that's cute. And just go through my leftover bins at that point and see if there's anything else, you know, sequins or enamel dots or whatever to put on these little guys. I'll put some blue up there. That works. A little pink here. Might as well use all of these cute little guys. And remember, I still have these great puppies that I haven't even begun to play with yet. There we go there. That almost made a little star visual triangle. Very nice. Star, star. That says State of Michigan. I like that there. Maybe right there. All right, let's see where we can get some of these puppies. Oh, guys, I also want to put, do I have anything in, oh, the darker color little safety clips kind of look like that yellow. So maybe I can put one here for no good reason. I just like them and it's going to give me a little bit of metal. It's fighting to go in. I must have, oh, it's a sticker, that's why. Okay. Got one there just for fun. No good reason involved. And then I don't think it'll go there well. Don't want them both on the same size. Well, let me see if I can do opposite day with this one. And just put that one right there. Just have a little metal. Not a biggie, just cute. Okay, now, last thing in this kit that I can try to sprinkle around. Get this right there, a nice puffy. I'll see if it needs a little bit more adhesive, I'm not sure. I like all the stars though. Reminds me of the stars on the flag for DC. Just popping in my head like that. Okay, I've got like, probably not coming in with a black one right there. There's a good black color. Nice little light gray. Boom, boom, boom. I already have the pink. Let's see. That's cute. I don't know. I'm kind of good on the stars. Okay. So all I'm going to do now, because I've gone through all the goodies in my kit, is I'm going to go ahead and look in my enamel dots, see if I need to sprinkle any around, and I'll be right back. So that finishes it up. I had some leftover enamel dots, and I just included 3 And, well, just not on this one. Yep. But on the little baby layouts, I included 3 enamel dots on each. And that is this layout done. I will have links down below for Scrappy Kathy's channel so you can see what she came up with, as well as Lisa's Facebook group for these sketches. Okay, bye for now, friends.